Greece has just received its 24th and final Rafale F3R fighter bomber, marking the completion of a highly ambitious procurement program that has greatly enhanced the capabilities of its air force. This agreement, which began in January 2021 with France, has rapidly strengthened Greece's sovereignty and air superiority in a region marked by ongoing geopolitical tensions. Greece's Rafale fleet now includes 18 single-seat Rafale Aegis and 6 dual-seat Rafale DGs, replacing the aging Mirage 2000 EGM/BGM. The deal started with a contract signed on January 25, 2021, for 18 Rafale F3R aircraft, 12 of which were transferred from the French Air and Space Force, with 6 newly manufactured. This first phase of the program, valued at €2.5 billion, also included a cutting-edge arsenal of missiles, including the long-range METEOR air-to-air Mica, SCALP cruise missiles, and AM39 Exocet anti-ship missiles. In March 2022, a second contract brought 6 more Rafales at an additional cost of €1.09 billion, underscoring Greece's swift decision to modernize its air capabilities. The Rafale F3R, developed by Dassault Aviation, is a versatile multi-role combat aircraft designed for a wide array of missions, including air superiority, deep strikes, maritime and ground attacks, reconnaissance, and even nuclear deterrence. Powered by 2 SNECMA M88-2 engines, it features an active electronically scanned array radar, Telios targeting pod, and the AGCAS ground collision avoidance system, enhancing both its precision and survivability. With advanced weapons like the METEOR and SCALP missiles, the Rafale is capable of handling complex and high-stakes missions. The first batch of Rafales arrived in Greece in January 2022, joining the 332th Hawk Squadron based at Tanagra Air Base. By September 2023, the squadron had achieved full operational capability with the initial 18 aircraft. The second batch of 6 Rafales arrived between October 2024 and January 2025, demonstrating the efficiency of Greece's partnership with France. The final aircraft, a single-seat model, was delivered in December 2024 and is now stationed at Tanagra. The inclusion of METEOR missiles is a game-changer for Greece. These long-range radar-guided missiles are crucial for securing Athens' Flight Information Region, FIR, against potential threats, ensuring the country's air superiority over the Aegean and Eastern Mediterranean. Despite the success of the Rafale program, Greece's future plans for its fighter fleet are still evolving. While additional Rafales could still be acquired, the Greek government has shifted its focus to the upcoming delivery of 25th-generation F-35A fighters, set to begin in 2028. Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis has stressed that the current fleet of 24 Rafales, along with the incoming F-35s, meets Greece's strategic needs, though further Rafale purchases remain a possibility if required. In addition to the Rafale fleet, Greece's Air Force also operates around 154 F-16s, with 83 of them undergoing upgrades to the Viper standard. The fleet also includes 17 modernized Mirage 2000-5S and around 15 Mirage 2000 EGM/BGMs, primarily used for anti-ship operations. This diverse fleet ensures Greece's robust air defense capabilities, positioning the country to maintain its technological edge in a highly dynamic geopolitical landscape. With the completion of the Rafale program, Greece has demonstrated its ability to modernize its military swiftly while strengthening its defense ties with France and the United States. While the F-35 acquisition is already in the works, the potential for expanding the Rafale fleet further remains a strategic option as Greece continues to adapt to the challenges of an ever-changing region.